Yeah, man, we done got me a little rental car real quick to go pick this up, man. I just wanted to show y'all one time for the one time. They got a reverse valve body in here, man. I've been shifting. See, it got the plus at the bottom. And yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that one time. Came all the way to the 8th town. Had to give me a little bite or something to eat. Hungry. Ooh, you know I be hungry, y'all. This is nice. This is nice. Just made it up here to Big Cat Auto Salvage, y'all. They got everything. All the LS parts. They the only people had my gas tank, man. Had to come out here to the H-Town. They done got it all ready for me. He done gave me a good deal. What's your name, man? So you could let them know.
Sal.
Sal.
Sure.
You like one of the owners or something?
Co-owner.
Okay, co-owner. Shout out to Big Cat, man. They done gave me a good deal. They done washed the tank up for me, made sure ain't no fumes in it. Ooh, it's gonna be good. Yeah. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna get it to fit on that plane, but hey, man, I'm finna try to get it on there. Yeah, man, this finna go down. Oh, that piece go to there. I probably been, okay. Well, hey, I'm finna get it ready, y'all. Look out. Out here at the Guild Aviation. Drop the car off and stuff, man. Got the tank wrapped up. Smell no fumes. About to take off at the airport, man. Got it in there, yo. Ready to go. Alright, look out, y'all. We all the way up here in the air, man. About to get ready for this landing. Everybody be asking me, how's the landing, man? Is it rough? Is it, how is it, man? How he do it? Do it feel shaky? How fast y'all going? Can you slow down fast enough? Well, look out. Incoming. Now you can see. Here we go. Look out.
We put them like that, we might be able to get somewhere.
See? Hey, if I about to go like that, if I go the other way, it won't go all the way on. Beat you. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.